The world of technology is changing fast. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is leading this change. Like the dawn of computers, AI is both exciting and scary. We see its potential to revolutionize industries, but we also worry about its impact on our lives and jobs. Nowhere is this concern greater than in the field of software engineering. Will machines replace the very minds that built them? Let's explore this question further. Students, especially those interested in tech, are understandably anxious. They see AI writing code. They hear about AI automating tasks. It's natural for them to wonder, will there be jobs left when I graduate? After all, they are investing time and money in education. They deserve to know if their skills will be relevant in this rapidly evolving job market. Their fears are not entirely unfounded. The media often exaggerates AI's capabilities. Headlines scream about AI replacing entire professions. This creates a climate of fear and uncertainty. This hype often overshadows the nuanced reality. Yes, AI is a powerful tool. It can automate tasks, it can write basic code, but it's not about to replace human software engineers. Think of it this way. AI is like a camera, and a software engineer is like a photographer. A camera can take a picture, but it takes a photographer to frame the shot. They understand composition, lighting, and storytelling. Similarly, AI can write some code, but it takes a skilled engineer to understand the bigger picture. Engineers solve complex business problems. They debug and test code. They integrate different systems. They manage deployments and ensure software quality. These are not things AI can do on its own. That's why the biggest tech companies are still hiring software engineers. They understand that human expertise is essential. In conclusion, AI is not a replacement for human ingenuity and problem-solving skills. It is a tool that can enhance our capabilities and make us more efficient. The future of software engineering is not about man versus machine. It's about man with machine. So to those aspiring tech wizards out there, don't fret. Your skills are more valuable than ever. Embrace the power of AI, but never underestimate the power of your own human mind.